Hello guys, this is a Philips 5000 series 55-inch smart TV that I got on a Black Friday at Walmart 2 years ago. So the reason I'm doing this video is because I couldn't get my PlayStation to work on HDR. So I was looking for answers on the internet. It was barely any, but it was pretty simple. I finally found something, but I know you guys probably will looking for the same thing. So here's what I did. First, I'm gonna show you. You go into your sound on screen and video output settings. So my TV says that I don't have an HDR. That my TV does not support HDR. Deep color, not that one. So HRG, okay. So the resolution, I set it up on automatic. You're supposed to put it in automatic. If you actually see, I'm on 2160 RGB, which is the one that you want. But first, I didn't have it like that. So here you see the output information. And it says right here, my resolution is 3840 per 2160, whatever. So that's what you want. And this is supposed to be 4K. But before I didn't have this. I'm gonna show you how I did it. So you go on your options. Then you go on your, I believe, setup, then picture and setup, TV settings. Some people say that you have to go, where is it? On picture, then advanced settings. Some people say that, but that didn't work for me. So they say all the way on the bottom it says that you can do, where is it? 4K UHD. Well, I don't know. I couldn't find it. I don't have it. It'll tell you to activate HDR automatic. I don't have it. Some people say that you can. And I even saw some videos, but my TV apparently is different. So the one I have right now, the HDMI cable that I have on my ps4 Pro connected to, is on the HDMI port number 1. So what I did, it was really simple. You go to installation, then you go to preferences, and you go to HDMI mode. So then right there you're gonna select the HDMI port where your PS Pro is connected to the TV. In my case is I have it on the number 1. So right there you're gonna select normal. Before I had it like this on legacy. And you're gonna see what it does now. Look at this. You see back there? You probably don't see it, but it's right there. My resolution is 1920 per 1080. And that's not what you want. See, YouTube might support a higher quality color format, 4K HDR, blah blah blah. So, pretty simple. Again, options, picture and sound, setup, TV settings, installation, preferences, HDMI mode. So the magic will appear before your eyes. Select normal. That's all it does. Sorry, my kid's a little my TV's a little dirty because my kids are just messy. I got 3, so see, magic right there. 3840 per 2160 resolution, or 4K, whatever, HDR, I don't care. But there you got it. Thank you guys for watching.